Okay guys, so in our previous video we saw how we can create a deriv robot, and the last video we saw how to give condition to the robot, to our trading bot. Now today in this video, this is what we want to do: how to add martingale to our trading robot. So the condition is, if we lose the trade, multiply the stake to 2.2, but if we win, place the same amount. So this is the first one. If we lose the stake, multiply to 2.2, but if we win, it should be on the same amount. So let me show you how to do it. Please, if you've not watched our two previous videos, kindly go and watch the part 1 and part 2. This is the part 3, so that you understand how to do this stuff better. All right, so the first thing we want to do is to come over to where we have our variables. Then we'll add in, create a new variable, and we'll call this one stake. Call this our variable stake. Okay, and once we've done that, we want to bring in this set here to run at once. We'll change the RSI to variable, and we'll come to have where maths and bring in this number. So our stake is $1. That's our stake. Then we'll come to where we have the stake here and bring in this variable here and swap it. So swap our stake to $1, which is what we've done here. All right, so the next thing we want to do is to come over to where we get the fourth block, and on this fourth block, what we want is to set our logic. So bring in the logic, right? And once we have our logic, we'll come to where we have after purchase. What happens after we purchase? So bring this and place it here. So you see result is lost. If the result is lost, bring in our variable, then our stake. If the result is lost, so change this to stake. If the result is lost, then our stake has to be multiplied by 2.2, right? So that's what we do. Then we say else if our stake, else if we win, then our stake has to be $1. Okay, so we've given a trade condition. Now if we lose, our stake has to multiply, else the stake has to be $1. It has to be $1. Okay, so this is how to add in martingale on the fourth block. And now that we've done this, let us run the bot and see how it performs. So let me just save this so that I won't. So downloaded. All right, so let's just run this bot and see. I'll stop this and delete. So let me just delete this and run it again. So remember, our trade condition is if the bot, the RSI is on 70, it has to buy fall. If it's on 30, it has to buy rise. Okay, so our RSI is below 30. That's why it bought this trade. Below 30, it bought a rise. So if we win, like in this case now we've lost. So when the next trade is coming up, we'll see if the martingale really worked or not. You can see 2.20. So the martingale for lost trade is working. It's multiplying. So let's see if it wins, if it will go back to 1, because those are the two conditions. Remember, the first condition we've seen it, so we need to fulfill the second condition, which is stick the same amount if it's a win trade. So it's a win trade here, and it has stick the same amount, which is $1. So guys, this is how to add martingale to your trade. So in our next video, we'll look at how to add stop loss and take profits. How to add stop loss and take profits to our robots. Okay guys, thank you very much. Please do wait to watch the first video, second video, and probably this one to understand what we're doing here so far. And also, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, because we have a lot to teach concerning deriv robot, so you can start making your own robots and also make money out of it. Thanks guys, see you now.